Welcome back again. This is going to be a short tutorial on your profile and just where to go and edit your profile if you need to do so. Right in the top hand corner is the profile section. You can see your profile at the top, or you can click on Edit My Profile. This is where I'd like you to select the Edit My Profile button. I'd like to point out that you are also able to edit your profile by clicking on the users and then your profile section here. So as you can see, as soon as you click on users, your profile, the same screen will open up. And there are a number of options that you can select and see whether you would like to include it or not. First of all, the visual editor. This is a very handy editor that you can use during the time that you write a blog post or a page, which will be covered during the post creation section. I typically keep this unticked because I enjoy that function. It's referred to as a what you see is what you get function. Really, it's like typing in Word and adding in images, etc. What you see is what it looks like, and then you can publish that. So it will actually help you to create the page and make it look exactly the way that you wish to do it. So my recommendation, keep this unticked. If you wish to change your color scheme in the background, then you can do so. So for instance, if I'd like to change the color to the midnight color scheme, I can simply select the midnight color, and you will note that the color is changing. Maybe not as prominent because it's still the same kind of color scheme. So let me select sunrise. You'll see the color changes there. However, I like the midnight color, so I'll select midnight. Keyboard shortcuts are actually quite good if you receive a large number of comments on your website. Therefore, I don't receive that many. I'll keep it unticked. However, you can enable keyboard shortcuts if you receive a lot of comments on your website. Show the toolbar when viewing the site. I prefer to show the toolbar when viewing the site. They refer to the top bar here. Proofreading. At this stage, I don't select any of the proofreading as I proofread all of my own content. Post by email. This is actually added by a plugin, so I will skip over that. The next fields are fields that you can go and complete. However, you cannot change the username on this profile. You can change your first name, the last name, enter a nickname if you wish, and the name that you wish to display whenever you make a comment. There's also space for you to fill out an email, your website, and any social media that you have. That includes Google+, Twitter, as well as Facebook. A small biography about yourself. You can type something like, I did here, I love to build websites. Let me build yours. And then your Gravatar picture. If you don't have a Gravatar, it's well worth creating one. Why is that? It builds trust with people. People see your face and people recognize you. Now, you might also ask, why do I need to update my profile? For exactly that same reason. Whenever you'll be writing a comment on a post, your Gravatar will come up, people will start associating with that, and trust is being built. So it's well worth creating that. The next sections is really added in by other plugins, so I will ignore those and then just click the update the profile button. Great, we've updated our profile. And again, as I said, it's really helpful for when we're leaving comments on posts because it builds trust in people. People can see our face, people can read our profile, and they can feel like they're associating with somebody that's more than just a little picture. Hope you enjoyed this session and join me for more training sessions as we go along.